Welcome to the Navia All-in-One Zero Brokerage app. In this video, we'll walk you through how to customize the app's features for your convenience. First, log into the Navia app and navigate to the account section located in the footer. Now tap on Settings to access the customization options. To change your password, simply click on the Change Password option. Enter your old password and then input your new password and confirm it. Your password should contain at least one uppercase, one lowercase and one number. Password should be at least 8 characters and a maximum of 12 characters. Password should not be the same as your user ID or login ID. Password should contain a special character and it should not contain these symbols. Finally, click Submit to save your changes. Next, you can start the app door that guides you through the app's entire features and navigations. Change light or dark theme. To adjust the theme, go back to the settings page in the account section. Under the theme color option, you can switch between light or dark mode based on your preference. Change authentication method. Go to security options. Here you can change your Navia's login method to either use your phone's screen lock, fingerprint or 6-digit PIN. App lock timeout. Tap on App lock timeout to change your app lock timing when not in use. You can choose between immediately, 10 minutes or 30 minutes or next day. And no, app won't be locked if it is in the foreground. Price flicker. Enable or disable price flicker to see the color effect in the price area, indicating market price fluctuations. Show market watch count. You can also turn on the market watch count to view the number of stocks in your watch list. For example, your watch list may show 14/30 stocks. Show total buy-sell value. Enable the Show Total Buy-Sell Value option to view the total values of your transactions. This will appear under the Orders section in the footer, especially on the Executed Orders page. You will see buy-sell and the total buy-sell value. Show cash or derivative buy-sell value separately. You can also choose to view your cash and derivatives buy or sell values separately for clarity. Now it will be visible in the same Orders section under the Executed Orders page. Position Default section. Here you can choose between position or holding, so that your selection will be the default opening page in the position section. Turn on or off default market watch. Next, you can customize your default market watch list. The app comes with a default watch list of Nifty, Sensex, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty. You can select or unselect these according to your needs. Enable or disable order confirmation. Enable or disable the order confirmation feature. When enabled, you will receive a confirmation pop-up upon placing an order. Change language. You can change your app language to your preferred regional language in this section. You can choose between English, Hindi, Tamil, Bengali or Kannada. Trade notification. Under the notification setting, you can enable or disable order or trade notification to be notified when you buy or order or when a trade is confirmed. Activity sorting. Enable activity sorting to arrange your activities in ascending order by time. This option can be found in the Orders section in the footer under the Activity page. Well, that's a wrap. Take advantages of these options to tailor the Navia All-in-One app for your preferences. Thank you for watching and install the Navia app today and make it your own.